This is a brand new 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 4.3-liter V6. Its top features include alloy wheels and Hill Start Assist. The following features are also included: cruise control, full power accessories, side impact airbags, traction control, a keyless entry system, and air conditioning. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Thank you for considering Stonebriar Chevrolet in Frisco for your next new or pre-owned vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership. We are conveniently located at 9950 Highway 121, just east of Stonebriar Mall, and only minutes from anywhere in the Metroplex.